Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to connect the EarPods with Lightning connector to an iPhone device. So this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. On the bottom where you charge the phone, you have the Lightning connector, and that's how these work. So there's no headphone jack, so these work by connecting them here. The moment we plug them in, we usually will have a little indication that there's something on, but nope, we don't have any indication. So these are now connected. These you put them on your ear and they're ready to go. Obviously, when you want to disconnect them, just pull the cable out and then you're disconnected. But this is how simple it is. This is not the USB-C, so it doesn't work on the iPad mini 6 and some iPad Pros, but it works on all iPhones and some older iPads and simpler iPads. So just connect it all the way in. Make sure the port is clean. Obviously, if it has some gunk, it won't work properly, but that is how you connect the EarPods with Lightning cable to an iPhone device. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.